And again, did I mention we are both Farrington High School graduates? I just gotta put that out there. Where's Lord Kamehameha? There you go. Any Farrington High School graduates here with us tonight? Right on. One. All the rest of you guys, watch your wallets. If you guys want to hear one more, this incredible talent right here. Okay, Kani, okay, Kai, please put your hands together. Welcome back, Nathan Aweau.
Thank you. I wasn't gonna leave. I would have hana-hoed myself. I'd be in the back going, hello! It's actually really good to be home. And this next song is on my latest CD, and it's called Mahalo. In fact, the CD is called Mahalo. And in this song, basically I'm counting my blessings. My blessings were, for me, I'm very proud, very happy that I was born and raised in Hawaii. Happy that I have a great ohana, I have a great family. Happy that I love doing what I do. Right? That Akua allows me to do this. I've traveled all over the world, met many beautiful people. Some little, but you get that everywhere. And I get to meet you guys. So anyway, this song is called Mahalo. Tuning. Whispered winds and ocean tides, no twilight skies, gentle hands that breathe the night of a silent sigh. In the dance of life I find my joy with every breath I say. Mahalo, Yahweh. Ancient songs, Kani, echoes of the past. Pupuhai ona keiki hula everlast. In the dance of life I find my joy with every breath I say. Mahalo, Yahweh, who walk with me, Naho Ahele, for every tear and every So I thank you for the evening kiss in tender moonlight glow, and the candy coated skies fill rainbow. Waikīkī.
Nice round of applause for Nathan Aweau. The title comes from his latest release called Mahalo. We do have it here for sale, so if you'd like to pick up some of Nathan's music, you can find it in the foyer area. One more time, please, a nice round of applause for one of Hawaii's treasures right here, Nathan Aweau. Thanks, Nate. Awesome.